Welcome to the installation guide for your roller blinds from WooCurtains&Blinds. We've made the process easy to follow with this step-by-step video tutorial. Ensure that all necessary parts are included in the package. The package includes roller blinds, an idle bracket, a control bracket, 4 screws, 1 child safety device, and 2 ball stops. If any parts are missing, contact the manufacturer for support. Once you are ready to install your roller blinds, you need to determine the correct fitting location for your window as per your order information. Let's begin with step 1, installing the mounting brackets. Start by lifting your control bracket into position and marking where the screws will attach the bracket to the frame. Pre-drill 2 holes in the marked positions, then secure the control bracket with the provided screws. Repeat the process for the idle bracket. Start with the control side and slot the bracket into the cavity of the blind. Align the pin with the gate of the idle bracket and gently push the plug into place. Now, position the child safety device at the bottom of the chain loop drop and screw it into the mounting surface. Ensure that the looped chain hangs with minimal tension. Before we go, we want to emphasize the importance of child safety when it comes to blind and curtain cords. Make sure there are no loose operational cords that children can reach from the floor, cot, bed, or by climbing on nearby furniture. Remember, the child safety device must be installed using both screws. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can enjoy your new roller blinds and a safer environment for your family.